upbeat music playing. Hey smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for head-to-head product comparisons that help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got an epic drone battle for you. In the left corner, we have the Istone 5 drone, and in the right corner, we've got the FactJank Brushless motor drone. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be as thrilling as a drone doing 3D flips. Both of these bad boys are priced at $119. So no need to sell your kidney to buy one. But which one gives you the most bang for your buck? Let's dive into the details. The Istone i5 sports a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. Perfect for those aerial selfies you never knew you needed. On the other hand, FactJank takes it up a notch with a 1080p HD camera that's 135 degrees motorized adjustable. That's more angles than a geometry class, folks. If you're looking to capture every possible perspective, FactJank wins this round with its wider field of view. Reviewers also noted that FactJank takes pretty good pictures, although the video might be a bit shaky. The Istone i5 gives you up to 30 minutes of flight time with its 2 rechargeable batteries. That's more airtime than most TV shows. FactJank didn't specify its flight time in the description, which is a bit like going on a road trip without knowing if you have enough gas. So let's give this round to the Istone i5 for transparency and longevity. The Istone i5 is designed for beginners with features like headless mode, one key start landing, and hand gesture photo, stas, video. Even your grandma could fly this thing. FactJank also boasts beginner-friendly features like one key takeoff, landing, and headless mode. But it adds extra pizzazz with 3D flips and custom path flight. It's like the Cirque du Soleil of drones. So FactJank takes this round for turning your flying experience into a spectacle. Reviewers appreciated FactJank's ease of use, though some had issues with app connectivity. The Istone Ascent 5 is equipped with brushless motors for a quieter, more powerful flight. Plus, it's foldable and comes with a carrying case, perfect for those spontaneous drone adventures. FactJank also has brushless motors and can handle level 4 wind resistance. It's like the Vin Diesel of drones, fast and furious, reaching speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour. So if you want to feel the need for speed, FactJank is your drone. However, some reviewers mentioned that both drones had issues with flying away and not returning. The Istone i5's ultra-portable, foldable design makes it easy to carry around, fitting right into your pocket. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. FactJank didn't brag about its portability, so we can only assume it's not as pocket-friendly. Point goes to Istone i5 for being the ultimate travel buddy. The Istone i5 offers real-time panoramic views via its app. You can easily share your 1080p HD pictures and videos on social media. FactJank steps up the game with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission for smooth, no-lag video even at long distances. It's like having your own personal drone paparazzi. FactJank wins this round for superior tech. However, reviewers have noted video playback issues with Istone Ascent 5 and some connectivity problems with FactJank. Reviewers have had mixed experiences with both drones. The Istone Ascent 5 is praised for its ease of use and portability, but criticized for its camera quality and occasional flyaway issues. The FactJank brushless motor drone is appreciated for its advanced features and customer service, but also has some concerns about reliability and connectivity. And there you have it, smart buyers! Both the Istone Ascent 5 and the FactJank brushless motor drone have their strengths. If you want longer flight time and portability, go for the Istone i5. But if you're after a wider camera view and faster speeds, Fokjank is your go-to drone. Which drone would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our smart buying tip. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Outro music playing. Screen fades out to the Buy Smart logo.